Good morning. Today is Thursday. We are in the Coronado National Forest and heading for Douglas. Let's see. Oh. We're going that way. Okay. Just looked at my GPS and saw that we're going a different way than I thought we were going. But that's okay. And this is a very nice road. I really like the trees on the sides. It is somewhere around 8:15 in the morning. We should be, the run to Douglas is just a little over 3 hours. One of the things I like about driving back roads is coming across the unexpected or a historical site. The memorial is to Fray Marcos De Niza, delegate of the Viceroy in Mexico. The monument celebrates the location where he entered Arizona on April 12, 1539. He was the first European west of the Rockies. We are right at the border. It's Lochiel, Arizona, and the border is just to our right, just over that little hill. Not sure we can get much closer.
Wish we could get a better view of it.
Okay, we're going to see if we can get up close to the fence.
Oh my gosh.
What do you see? And here we are at the fence, current fence along the border between the U.S. and Mexico. Right up close and personal. Obviously a vehicle fence rather than a personnel fence. And it just stretches off into the distance. So here's the wall. So while we're here at the San Rafael Ranch, we came across this marker post, which you can just make out the United States on the side of the concrete. And it says Mexico on this side. So we are right there. Just amazes me that this is southern Arizona. Just so beautiful down here. Just great views all over. Stop and send a text.
Just got a mosey on about 5 miles an hour.
How you doing?
Good.
I appreciate what you're doing.
That's what I get paid to do.
Well, I really appreciate it, believe me.
Yeah.
You know?
You'd think, but there's not too much south except Mexico from here.
Hey, I'm at Copper Canyon.
Take a picture.
We are at Montezuma Pass. What a place. Off to your left, and you'll see the same kind of rock structure.
Is that peak in Mexico?
Which peak?
It looks like a perfect pyramid up there on top. You know, side by side coming at you pretty quick.
This road will get us ready for the road into Copper Canyon. Good practice.
What's good practice?
Driving this road from the top down.
Oh, is this what it's going to be like over there?
From what I've seen of pictures, the road down into Copper Canyon is very similar. And we are on pavement.
Going to be on pavement for the rest of the trip now?
To Douglas, yeah. I'm going to air up at the visitor center, which is a couple miles ahead. And we just left the Coronado National Monument Visitor Center. Very nice little place. And we are headed for Bisbee, Arizona. We should be in Douglas around 1 and meet up with the rest of the group for dinner tonight at 6. Looking forward to the next section of the trip. So we just crossed over the San Pedro River, which is where we're in the San Pedro Valley, I believe. And this is where Coronado actually came through this area, was along the river. In 1540, Coronado left Compostela, Mexico on his 1,500-mile, 2-year journey of exploration. He went as far as to what is now known as Salina, Kansas. Downtown Old Bisbee. The morning after Bruce and I arrived in Douglas, we met up with the rest of the group that would be heading south into the Copper Canyon area of Mexico. We would spend the next 16 days touring the area before coming back into the United States.